One of the most unpredictable parts of architecture and construction is renovation, because old houses usually reveal their true conditions only after work begins. And sometimes the most expensive problems are the ones nobody could see earlier. That is why renovation projects feel very different from new construction. In new builds, you start with clear conditions. But in renovations, you're uncovering history, layer by layer. If you want to know more about why renovations are complicated than building from scratch, keep watching. A lot of people assume renovation is a lot simpler because may existing structure na. Akala nila aayusin lang naman, papagandahin lang ng konti, minor work lang. But older homes or existing homes are complicated in ways people don't immediately see. Because over the years, many houses go through small repairs, extensions, temporary fixes, material changes, water exposure, aging systems, and modifications done at different times. And sometimes yung documentation ng changes na yan is incomplete or totally walang documentation. So even before demolition starts, there are already unknown variables inside the house. One of the biggest turning points in renovation projects is demolition. Because once ceilings, walls, and flooring begin opening up, the house starts revealing its actual condition. And this is where many renovation projects emotionally shift. Sometimes contractors discover hidden moisture damage, termite activity, rusted reinforcements, outdated electrical systems, weak framing, or plumbing conditions nobody expected. Original plan changes, the budget changes, the timeline changes. And the problem often starts before construction. Hidden site conditions, unclear decisions, and missing details stay invisible for too long. And by the time they show up on site, they already cost time, money, and trust.